Are you ready to dive into something amazing? Let's kick things off with a burst of excitement. Imagine this. Every moment is a chance to create something incredible. Whether you're chasing a dream, learning a new skill, or simply trying to be the best version of yourself, now is the time to take that leap. Don't hold back. Embrace the journey ahead. You've got the power to make things happen, and every step you take gets you closer to your goals. So let's jump in and make today count. Continuous auditing with AI. Stop drowning in year-end samples. The future of audit is here, and it's continuous auditing with AI. Imagine monitoring transactions 24/7, instantly flagging fraud and errors. For too long, auditors have been reactive, looking at historical data. But what if you could have real-time insights, preventing issues before they escalate? Today, I'll walk you through my 4-step AI framework to implement continuous auditing in your organization and become a future-ready auditor. This isn't just theory, it's practical, actionable steps you can start implementing today. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your risk metrics, the what. The first step is crucial. Define your risk metrics. Are you looking for duplicate payments to the same vendor? Unauthorized vendor master data changes? Purchases exceeding set spending limits? Transactions outside business hours? Clearly articulating these metrics is the foundation of your continuous audit program. It guides your AI models and rule sets. Think about your organization's highest inherent risks and start there. What keeps your CFO up at night? That's your starting point. Step 2. Connect to data sources. The how. Next, you need to connect to data sources. Continuous auditing relies on real-time or near real-time data. This means moving beyond manual exports. You'll need access to your ERP system, like Odoo, SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, CRM, like Salesforce, payroll systems, and even bank feeds. The ideal scenario involves using application programming interfaces, or APIs, to pull data directly and continuously. If direct API access isn't feasible initially, explore automated daily or hourly data dumps. Work closely with IT and data owners to ensure secure, reliable, and timely data feeds. Data quality is paramount here. Step 3. Develop AI rule-based algorithms, the intelligence. Now, for the intelligence, develop AI rule-based algorithms. This is where your defined risk metrics come to life. For simpler risks, you might use rule-based algorithms. If payment amount X and vendor change date 7 days, then flag. For more complex, evolving risks like anomaly detection in expense reports or unusual spending patterns, you'll leverage machine learning, ML. This could involve supervised learning for known fraud patterns or unsupervised learning to spot never-before-seen anomalies. You don't need to be a data scientist, but understanding the capabilities and limitations of these tools is key. Start simple, then iterate and enhance as your program matures. Step 4. Automate alerting and reporting, the action. Finally, the action phase. Automate alerting and reporting. What's the point of finding issues if no one acts on them? Your system needs to generate alerts automatically when an algorithm flags something. This could be an email to the relevant process owner, an alert in a dashboard, or a ticket in a workflow management system. Crucially, these alerts should be actionable, clear, and prioritize the highest risk items. Develop clear reporting dashboards for management and the audit committee, showing trends, flagged items, and the resolution status. This transforms audit from a periodic checkup into a living, breathing risk monitoring function. Conclusion and call to action. Embracing continuous auditing with AI isn't just about efficiency, it's about elevating audit to a strategic, proactive function. It empowers you to prevent issues, not just find them. Start exploring these 4 steps, and you'll be at the forefront of the audit revolution. To help you get started, make sure to download your free continuous auditing checklist in the description. It's a detailed guide to implementing everything we discussed. If this deep dive helped you audit smarter, hit the subscribe button. You'll get more exclusive audit hacks every week. And for daily actionable tips and career growth content, follow me on Instagram. Audit Simplified. The links are all below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.